Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the Dimple self-chilling wine glass. Yeah, it's kind of a neat idea, and the idea is it will chill your wine without having to put an ice cube in it. So you're on your deck on a 95-degree day, you've got your really nice chilled Chardonnay, and within a few minutes it starts to get a little too warm for you. Well, this is the solution then, because you put these little things in your freezer for a couple of hours, they freeze, they don't actually freeze solid, but they get very cold, and then you insert them into the bottom of the glass, and this is magnetically attached to the glass. And then the cold is transmitted through this metal piece that is inside the glass, and it'll chill your wine for up to 30 minutes. So it's a great solution to that. And plus you have this plastic outside at the bottom of the glass which sort of insulates the wine from the warmth of your hand holding the glass. So I guess that's a good thing as well. But there's a couple issues too. First of all, this is not dishwasher safe. You have to hand wash this glass. And in order to wash this glass, you're probably going to put it in a sink with soapy water. And what I've found is that water can get in between the plastic and the glass, so you do have to take this apart. So that presents a whole nother issue. So you have to twist this to get it out of the base, and then you end up with this. It kind of scares me to squeeze a glass in order to grip it hard enough to twist it, so I'm a little concerned about the glass breaking when I do that. And then you have all these pieces to contend with. This is a silicone O-ring. Makes me wonder whether after a year or two of use, whether this is going to start leaking out of the bottom. I don't know. But just the fact that I have to watch out that I don't lose the O-ring and all that, it's just a little bit of a hassle. Then you have to put this together again once you've washed the glass by hand, and again you have to squeeze it in order to make sure it's fully seated in there, and I'm not really sure whether it's seated or not. So it's just a little bit of work and a little too many parts for my taste. I can see where this can be a nice novelty though, and but I just don't think that for me it's something that I would use all the time. Maybe on that next 95-degree day though. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.